What if I told you that you have the power to achieve anything you want in life? If I lost everything today, my money, my network, my career, do you know the one thing that would guarantee I'd rebuild it all? It's not luck. It's not talent. It's not connections. The secret? A simple, repeatable formula for success. Most people fail because they don't even know the game they're playing. They wake up every day lost, unsure of what to do, and wonder why success feels so out of reach. But what if success wasn't random? What if there was a blueprint that the world's most successful people follow? In this video, I'm breaking down 3 proven principles that can make anyone successful, no matter where you're starting from. I know what it feels like to hit rock bottom, to feel lost and uncertain about the future, but within each of us lies unlimited potential. In this video, I'm going to give you the secret formula that has helped millions around the world achieve massive success. Stay with me because what you're about to learn could change everything. Let me ask you something. What do you really want in life? Not just a vague dream, but crystal clear, undeniable clarity. What is it that sets your soul on fire? Here's the truth. Confused people stay stuck. Clear people move fast. When I was struggling, I had no clear direction. I wanted success, but I didn't even know what that meant. Then I discovered something life-changing. Every ultra-successful person follows a simple formula. They define exactly what they want to be, do, and have. Ask yourself these 3 questions. What do you want to be? What do you want to do? What do you want to have? Write it down. Clarity is the starting point of all success. Successful people don't just dream, they decide. They make a commitment to their vision and refuse to let anything stop them. Pro tip: if you don't make a decision about your future, someone else will. And that brings us to the next key principle. Here's a reality check. No one pays for average. The world rewards masters, not amateurs. If you want to be successful, you need to become so good at what you do that they can't ignore you. Think about it. Who gets paid more, the amateur cook or the Michelin star chef? The top 5% in any industry make 10 times more money than the rest. Why? Because they mastered their craft. They put in the time, the effort, the sweat equity to become the best at what they do. How do you become world-class? It's simple, but not easy. Learn from the best. Read books, take courses, find mentors, immerse yourself in your chosen field. Put in the reps. Repetition equals mastery. Practice, practice, practice until you become a master of your craft. Get feedback and improve constantly. Growth never stops. Fact: a study found that the top 4% of professionals in any industry earn 50 times more than the bottom 80%. It's not luck. It's skill, dedication, and unwavering commitment to excellence. My personal story: when I started out, I was below average. I didn't have natural talent. I was awkward, I stumbled over my words, and I had a lot to learn. But I made a simple decision: to outlearn and outwork everyone. I studied every day. I practiced relentlessly. And guess what? Within months, I saw massive results. My skills skyrocketed, my confidence soared, and my life began to transform. Action step: pick one skill that can change your life and dedicate 30 minutes a day to mastering it. Remember, opportunities chase competence. If you're great at what you do, people will find you. Ever wonder why some people fearlessly take action while others hesitate? It's not that they're fearless. It's that they've built the habit of confidence. They understand that courage is not the absence of fear, but the ability to act in spite of it. Here's the biggest misconception. You don't need confidence to take action. You gain confidence by taking action. It's a snowball effect. The more you act, the more confident you become, and the more confident you become, the more you're willing to act. Think of the first time you drove a car. You were probably nervous, unsure, maybe even terrified. But after practice, you don't even think about it anymore. Confidence works the same way. You act first. Confidence follows. So if you're waiting until you feel ready, stop. The only way to become confident is to start, even when you're scared, even when you feel like an imposter. My experience. When I first started public speaking, I was terrified. My hands shook, my voice cracked, and I felt like I was going to pass out. But I kept doing it. I faced my fear head on, and each time I spoke, my confidence grew a little bit stronger. Now, I can speak on stage without even thinking. Stand taller. Posture affects mindset. Speak with certainty. Even if you feel unsure, take bold action. The more you do, the stronger your confidence grows. Action step: Pick one thing you've been putting off due to fear and do it today. Make that call, start that project, take that first step towards your dreams. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve when you simply have the courage to begin. Let's recap clarity. Know exactly what you want. Write it down, make it real. Competence. Become excellent at what you do. Master your craft, become the best version of yourself. Confidence. Take action, even when you don't feel ready. Courage is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. What's one thing you'll take action on today? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. Let's inspire each other to take action and create the lives we deserve. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more success strategies. And remember, success is not about luck. It's about mastering the right habits, cultivating an unstoppable mindset, and taking consistent action towards your dreams. Now go out there and make it happen.